to the Regent Cinema Blackpool for the perfect setting for this wonderful evening made in Blackpool.
One of the things when you are having an attack and you don't know whether you're asleep or whether you're awake and it repeats on you continually. So one of the ways that you know if you're asleep or awake is by having a drink. So you must always have a drink with you, ideally through a straw. And if you can feel the liquid going down your throat, then you're awake. So then you're not in the trauma. So I used to always carry a bottle of water with a straw with me 24/7 because of that. And so then I would prefer to sip tea than have a PTSD attack.
There's two films that'll stick with me after tonight. The first was Chris's Eigengrau, the first one. I think his passion and talent absolutely shone through, which was incredible to see, and he worked so hard on it. And the second one is obviously Changing Tides. My granddad was an alcoholic and Kathryn captured moments of that perfectly.
Blackpool is a lot of facade, which plays into the story and the message very, very neatly, because actually putting on a brave face is something a lot of people do.
Eigengrau was a real thinker of a movie. I'm probably going to be going home and a little bit worried to be closing my eyes tonight.
The bit in the film where they were eating the chips and going around to the arcade, I don't know, I thought it was really nice and nostalgic and also a bit sad.
Oh, the film made me feel really, really emotional. Being a sound grown, and I was just so proud of the creativity that is coming out of Blackpool.